first to? Sir, please, please. Yes. And before we do the Q&A, sir would like to address each one of you here.
First of all, I'd like to thank the audience all over the North for receiving South films and making it so big. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you. हमको बहुत प्यार दिया है सब लोग. इसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. और भी प्यार चाहिए हमको. Thank you. I will try to speak a little Hindi, but there will be definitely a lot of, because I'm a Madrasi, there will be a lot of accent, but still, I'll try to speak in Hindi if I can. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Not just about watching South films in, not just about watching South films in the North, we equally also admire Bollywood, you know, Hindi cinema. We've always been admiring it for years, for many, many years. We also invite Hindi cinema to dub into our languages and come, and we will be there to support your films also. It is not about, you know, South cinema or North cinema, it's about Indian cinema. I think we all will grow together as the biggest cinema in the world in the years to come as Indian cinema. Thank you.
So I'd like to ask you a question related to that. You know, before a pan-India Hindi release, you're already a superstar in the northern region and across the country, across the world. What do you have to say on that? Because a lot of Hindi-speaking people, you know, they look up to you. You are their icon star, so.
It's absolutely fortunate to be loved in another language because I did not speak that language, nor did I cater, you know, for that particular language in particular. We were making a Telugu film, and it so happened that that film got dubbed in Hindi and it was received with amazing love. And as we keep growing now that so many people are watching it, we want to give you the best quality film possible. You know, people are showing so much love from all over, you know, from the north, from above, from other places, even, you know, small trickles from overseas. For everybody who's been showing so much love for so many years. Bhai aur behno, thank you so much. Thank you. Itne प्यार दिया है सब लोग. Thank you. Maybe. Thank you.
Language has no barrier when it comes to entertainment. जैसा मनीष शाह साहब से भी बात हो रही थी हमारी. So yes, over to you, sir. आ जाइए.
Your center.
Rahul, I'll come to you. एक second. I'll come to you.
Allu Arjun Garu, Mas Garu, Sarai Naidu, Son of Satyamurthy, July, Res Guram, and now Pushpa. So too good. Welcome everybody to
Thank you.
Mumbai. Sir, I would like to start with you. First of all, this is coming definitely the biggest Telugu film of the year and your biggest film till now probably. It is coming one day after Spider-Man No Way Home, which is also at insane levels of booking. So what is your take on the competition? What is your take on the box office clash? What do you feel about that? We would like your thoughts.
You know, the box office part, I'll ask Manish ji to answer that and then I'll answer it.
Yeah, both of you.
Okay. Content has no language. And we have proved time and again that South movies have worked. This is the biggest South movie which is coming along. And I'm damn confident it will do wonders at box office. I now pass on the mic to Allu sir.
Allu Arjun sir, your take.
Sir, I think we should be very graceful. You know, the Hindi audience have been very graceful to South cinema. That's why South cinema could penetrate. As a South, I'm saying that, you know, we're very gracefully, you know, inviting Hindi cinema to come into the North. Same way, I think we should be very graceful in inviting over English films over to a country. And that's when they will also be very gracefully opening up, you know, our languages to open in their country. So I think we should have a mutual respect for each other in each other's languages. And in films, I don't think language is a barrier. And we're in a situation right now, today in India, that India or the world over, that entire cinema, the culture of people coming to cinema has stopped. I'm not looking at one Pushpa or another one film. I'm looking at it as Indian cinema, and cinema should win. Not just Indian cinema, world cinema, overall, the culture of people coming to the theaters has gone down. I think Spider-Man should get people back into the theaters. I think Pushpa should get Indian people back into the theaters. It's about celebrating cinema back again. So I think collectively we should. I think collectively we should support each other, and I support them, and I wish them all the best for tomorrow.
So one more. Sorry, I forgot to introduce myself.
And also, the next week there are other big films coming in Mumbai. For 83 we have Mr. Ranveer Singh's and Kabir Khan sir's film that's releasing. I wish them all the best. I hope you get people back into the theaters. And now that I'm in Hindi media, I'd like to once again congratulate Suryavamshi for being a big success and getting people back into the theaters. I am more bothered about cinema right now than just Pushpa alone by itself. Thank you.
Very well said, sir. Sir, your word, like
And how much money he does, I think you should ask Manish sir.
that there's no doubt. Sir, you've always been a pan-India star. There is no doubt about that. By the way,
Really?
yes.
I've never done a Hindi film also.
But that's your aura. Without doing a Hindi film, you've already been a pan-India star. But now in theatrically, this is the first time, in spite of your movies working so well on satellite, working so well online, theatrically, this is the first time your pan-India film coming. So henceforth, like you have Icon releasing, there is Icon, and there's probably a Koratala Seva movie also. Henceforth, is every Allu Arjun movie going to be a pan-India film? I mean, there is no doubt about it. There is no option.
Preferably, I'd like to make it everything pan-India, because not just about pan-India. I'm saying, why are you even restricting to that? Maybe somebody else wants to watch it. People in other countries, maybe Sri Lanka, neighboring countries, Pakistan, other countries want to watch it. We don't know. Language is no barrier for cinema. So I think we should just go for, I would say more than pan-India, I would say we should go for a multi-language release and see how far we can go as Indian cinema.
Thank you, sir.
योर सेंटर रश्मिका अल्लू अर्जुन सर, आप दोनों से सवाल है मेरा। राहुल हियर फ्रॉम द फिल्मी चर्चा। योर सेंटर टाइटल बहुत ही प्रॉमिसिंग है, ट्रेलर भी काफ़ी प्रॉमिसिंग है। ऑल द बेस्ट आप लोगों को मूवीज़ के लिए। और टाइटल पुष्पा नाम सुन के एक ही चीज़ जहन में आती है, वो आइकॉनिक डायलॉग राजेश खन्ना सर की, पुष्पा आई हेट टीयर्स, तुम्हारी आंखों में आंसू नहीं देख सकते। तो क्या आप लोग आप दोनों हिंदी मूवीज़ लवर किस तरह के रहे हैं? आप लोग हिंदी मूवी एज एन ऑडियंस आप देखते थे हिंदी मूवीज़ आप दोनों?
Yeah, yaar. I used to watch so many Hindi films. What are you saying?
किस तरह की मूवीज़ आप देखना पसंद करते हैं? राजेश खन्ना सर की मूवी देखें आप?
As in, I was an audience before entering to the industry. I'm going to the theater, watching the happening films, coming back, and also I was in the hostel. So for us, the movies not of our choice, but of our school choices were played. So we had no other options but to watch the films that they played. But yes, now that I'm in the industry, I think I'm watching a lot more films. Lot more technically and lot more personally, but yeah, could say balanced, managed watching enough films.
So from childhood, we always watch a lot of obviously because I'm multi-language, multicultural person from the south. I was born in Tamil Nadu, raised in Hyderabad. Born and raised in Chennai, and then moved to Hyderabad. So I know Tamil, Telugu. We grew up watching Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada films. And as we entered into films, we also started watching Maratha films, Bengali films, Hindi cinema. Hindi cinema has definitely played a huge impact on us. Like time and again, just like how you always watch movies, even we grew up watching all these movies. So it's a part of our life. And of course, we watch all movies. Of course, Hindi cinema. And I personally adore Hindi cinema a lot.
एलू जी, अभी अभी आपने कहा कि आप जो बॉलीवुड है उसको साउथ में वेलकम करते हैं, तो ऐसा कौन सा एक्टर है और ऐसी कौन सी मूवी है बॉलीवुड की जिसका रीमेक बने और आप उसमें काम करना चाहते हो?
माफ करना, मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगा। मेरा हिंदी अच्छा नहीं है,
नहीं, आप
फिर भी मैं
इंग्लिश में
कोशिश
बताइए।
करूंगा। पता है कि मेरा हिंदी में एक्सेंट है, साउथ एक्सेंट है, फिर भी मैं कोशिश करके आपको हिंदी में ही बात करूंगा। मैडम जी, सब एक्टर्स आ सकते हैं। इतने टैलेंटेड एक्टर्स हैं हिंदी सिनेमा में, द होल ऑफ नेशनल सिनेमा में, सब लोग आ सकते हैं। उस पिक्चर्स लेके साउथ में आके प्रमोट करके, डब करके, सब एक्टर्स दे ऑल डू फेनोमेनल। ईच जॉनर में बहुत अच्छे पिक्चर्स करते हैं सब लोग। हम सबको स्वागत करते हैं।
नहीं, आप पर्सनली अगर आपको करना हो तो आप कौन से एक्टर की और कौन सी बॉलीवुड की फिल्म का रीमेक करना चाहेंगे?
रीमेक?
यू पर्सनली।
मैं अब तक रीमेक नहीं किया मैडम, मुझे डर लगता है कि मुझे डर लगता है थोड़ा रीमेक करने में, अब तक नहीं किया। मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं नहीं करूँगा, अब तक नहीं किया, और मुझे थोड़ा डर भी है करने के लिए, इसलिए मैं थोड़ा रीमेक्स के से थोड़ा दूर रहता हूँ।
अल्लू
Thank you.
अर्जुन जी, मेरा नाम आरती सक्सेना है।
नमस्ते जी।
मैं भी हिंदी में ही पूछूंगी कि मतलब मैंने ऐसे पूछा कि अल्लू अर्जुन एक्टर साउथ के एक्टर हैं, तो मुझे किसी ने कहा कि वो साउथ के सलमान खान है। तो मुझे ये जानना था कि सलमान खान आपको कितने पसंद है, और बॉलीवुड का कौन सा एक्टर है जो आपको इंस्पायर करता है सबसे ज़्यादा?
मैडम, मुझे सबसे ज्यादा अमिताभ जी इंस्पायर करता है, क्योंकि लॉन्ग स्पैन ऑफ करियर है ना, from so many years. I'll say this in English to be a little more comfortable.
It's okay, yeah.
I absolutely adore the megastar of the country, Amitabh ji. Because we've grown up, watching his films and everything. He's got a lot of impact on us in the growing years. So, in one word, if I have to say, I'll say I'm a huge ardent fan of Amitabh ji. And even till date, at the age, such a big age, also, I keep thinking, even if I get really old, I should still be acting like how gracefully Amitabh ji is doing it. In a way, that's what I keep thinking. If you're 60, 70, 80, you should still you should work as beautifully as Amitabh ji does.
और आपने बोला कि ये फिल्म करने में आपको 4 फिल्मों के जितना मतलब मेहनत करनी पड़ी, तो सबसे टफ क्या था पुष्पा में?
She'll tell which part was tough for her, and then I'll tell.
No, sir, the fights and all you guys have done.